Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing another animal video. We'll try to, yeah, the chickens are a little bit scared. Still babies, 60 something days old I think. I don't remember how old exactly they were. Wait, dove. Oh, there was another one up there. And here's Frenchie and onions. Frenchie's that one, onions that one I think. If I can remember properly. Yeah, and pretty sure that's raspberry and strawberries hiding somewhere. Let's see, can we see any eggs? No, I don't think so. There's your Frenchie saying hello to the camera. No, that's onions. But then you can see back there, that's strawberry behind raspberry. Now let's go to our next animal. Well, guinea pigs. And I will hold one of the baby chickens in the next video, so you guys can stay to watch that one if you want. And yeah, I think it's going to be a good video. So, bye guys.